In an 18 kilogram dryer, the garments contain 8 litres of water. An 18 kilogram heat pump dryer goes from using 1.2 kilowatts to evaporate a litre of water to 0.5 kilowatts with the heat pump. This results in 0.7 kilowatts saving per litre, which multiplied by the 8 litres is 5.6 kilowatts of savings in one cycle. If we take the cost of electricity of 0.3 euros per kilowatt per hour and the use of the dryer for 10 cycles a day and 300 days a year, it means a saving of 5,040 euros a year.